Hello, welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the true pleasure of taking you around this DB11 V12 AMR. So let's start with the exterior. This car is finished in Onyx black, which is an absolutely gorgeous paint. It looks fantastic in any light, whether it's in sunlight or in your garage. It's a truly stunning, menacing looking car. So looking at the wheels, these wheels are finished in gloss black and they are forged AMR, which is obviously specific to the AMR range. We also have black calipers with this car. And over to the clamshell bonnet. There is no cut line, so we have a very flowing looking car. It also helps with the aerodynamics of the car. We have a mesh vent finished in gloss black, as well as a gloss black blade in the middle of the mesh vents, and it looks absolutely stunning. So coming to the front of the car, this car is finished with an exterior black pack, so you can see the overall black look of the car. It gives it a menacing, very stealthy look. And we also have a black badge to finish the car off. So moving to the rear of the car. So the option we have here is a smoked rear lamp, which again finishes the stealthy look of the car. It probably wouldn't look too right having a glaring red light shown here. And into the interior of the car. This has a fantastic interior options. We have trim inlay, which is finished in piano black, as well as a dark chrome jewelry pack and a touchpad to help with the infotainment system in the car. So moving to the seats have quilted detailing and they are also embroidered with brogue detailing. The headrest has an embossed AMR logo, which again is specific to the AMR range. And finally, we have heated steering wheel in this car for those cold nights and cold drives to keep your hands warm. So that's it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you learned something. This car is available here at HWM, and thank you very much.